Hi, welcome to today's quick craft. We're going to be making a flower mobile using this old egg carton, some glue and lots of different types of coloured tissue paper as well, or you can use different coloured paints, completely up to you, however you want to decorate your flowers. So the first step is to use our egg carton. We're going to just need the bottom section, which has the cups. Each individual cup is going to be one of the petals and one of the flowers on our mobile. So we just need to cut out all of these individual cups. You might want to get an adult to help you with this next stage when we're using our scissors. Once you've cut out all your individual sections, you want to cut each one of the cups and turn them into little petals. So you just snip down the sides of the carton to create different types of flower shape. Some with 3, some with 4, depending what designs you want to make. Once you've cut all your flower shapes out, you just want to bend back the tops of each petal just to make them look a little bit more realistic. Now it's time to decorate each petal and to colour them in. You can either use paint or colouring pencils. I'm going to use some tissue paper and to cover each petal in a different colour so it looks bright and eye-catching. I'm also going to try a few with paint to see how they turn out. Once you have made and decorated all of your flowers, you're going to need your scissors again, and some string. Get an adult to help you with this bit if you need to. You need to flip the flowers over, and on the reverse, pop a hole in the middle of the flower. Once you've popped your holes in the bottom of the flowers, it's time to get some lengths of string. I've cut 3 lengths, all to the same size. I'm just going to attach these now to the petals by threading them through the hole. Like so. Tying a knot in the end so that the petal doesn't fall through, and then threading the next flower on.